Hello everyone, welcome to CPAP Today. If you're shopping for an affordable CPAP machine, the ResMed AirStart 10, priced around $32,000 with a mask, might have caught your eye. But before you hit that buy button, there are some important things you should know about this model. ResMed has two main auto CPAP series, AirStart and AirSense. There's a big price difference between them. You could buy two AirStart machines for the price of one AirSense. ResMed launched the AirStart series for budget-conscious buyers, focusing on the Asian market. But what compromises did they make to cut costs? That's what we're here to discuss. The AirStart isn't as dominant in American and European region. So, would I buy the ResMed AirStart 10? The short answer is no, and here's why. Number 1, the algorithm. If you ask your doctor, they likely recommend machines with advanced algorithms over standard ones. The AirStart 10 uses a standard algorithm, which is a letdown, given ResMed's reputation for comfort. Advanced algorithm like those in the AirSense 10 adjust the pressure gently and smoothly. They analyze your breathing pattern every few breaths and make subtle changes you won't even notice. This makes a huge difference in comfort, especially since many people stop using their CPAP machines due to discomfort. Number 2. Missing auto on and off. Auto on and off is a basic feature that's super convenient. When you put on the mask, the machine turns on. When you take it off, it turns off. This is especially handy if you wake up at night and need to take off the mask. Unfortunately, the AirStart 10 doesn't have this feature. Just because ResMed is a big brand doesn't mean every model is a good buy. ResMed's reputation comes from their premium models like the AirSense, not from budget models like the AirStart. Number 3. Missing CSA detection. One of the critical features missing in the AirStart 10 is central sleep apnea, CSA detection. Central sleep apnea is when your brain doesn't send the right signals to your muscles that control breathing. Many patients experience both obstructive sleep apnea OSA, where your airway is physically blocked, and CSA. Machines like the AirSense 10 AutoSet can detect and differentiate these events, providing a more accurate treatment. Without CSA detection, the AirStart 10 will misinterpret CSA events as OSA events. This means you might not be getting the proper therapy for your condition, which can lead to continued fatigue and other health issues. Proper detection and treatment of both types of apnea are crucial for effective therapy and better sleep quality. In my opinion, you can get machines with advanced algorithms from other brands at the same price as the AirStart. It just doesn't make sense to spend so much on a machine with a standard algorithm. Check the link in the description for more details. I hope this review was helpful. Thanks for watching.